If you want to understand British people, you better learn some British English, because we say words and phrases that you're not going to hear in America or Australia. Today, I'll be showing you the 5 most common British English words. Let's get cracking. Alright everyone, I'm Dan and I'm here to help you stop being an English student and start being an English speaker. Today I'm going to show you some really common British English words that we use every single day. And if you're new around here, why not download the free cheat sheet for this video right now by joining the study squad using the link in the description. Right then, the first phrase I've got for you today is alright. Now this is a very, very common greeting that you'll hear in the UK. Alright basically is the same as how are you? And it's pretty common all over the UK. The answer to this question is also alright, which is pretty convenient when the question and the answer are the same word. Another answer you will hear to this question is not bad, which is basically the default British emotion. This word can also mean okay, like it does in American English. For example, you could ask someone, is it alright if I open the window? Yeah, it's alright, I don't mind. Next, let's take a look at cheers. Now, this word is not just the word that you say when you're giving a toast in the pub and you want to put the glasses together like, cheers, yay, clink, 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 clink. It is that, but in the UK it has another meaning. We usually use this word to mean thank you. So if someone does something nice for you, you can say cheers and they'll know that you're feeling pretty grateful, like this. Cheers for helping me with my homework last week, mate. We also use this quite a lot when we're saying goodbye to someone just before we leave. I guess we're kind of saying thanks for your time today, but it's quite common to use it like this. Yeah, nice one, mate. Cheers. Catch you later. Now, next up is the expression Innit. This is a bit of a weird one, but it is fairly common, and it's basically the shortened version of the tag question, isn't it? Isn't it innit? And we put it at the end of a question when we think the listener is going to agree with what we've said. For some reason, about 10-12 years ago, this phrase, innit, became really popular in British culture, and now it's a bit of a meme, but you will still hear people say it sometimes. And finally, innit can be used as a reaction to somebody else's expression, like this. Mate, it's hot today, innit? Up next, proper. Now I use this one all the time, and it really seems to confuse my students. The truth is, this one is really, really easy to understand. We use this word all the time in the UK, and if you hear a British person say proper, they probably mean very or loads. It's usually used to emphasize the thing that we're saying, like this. It's proper expensive in there. I am proper knackered today. I proper love your new hat. Where did you get it? It's proper easy, innit? The next expression is bloody. Now, another word in the UK that basically means very is the word bloody. Just like proper, we use it to emphasize what we're trying to express. You know, like, it's bloody expensive to buy a house these days. One expression that people think British people say all the time is bloody hell. Bloody hell. And we use this expression when we're angry, annoyed, or surprised, like this. Bloody hell, I've lost my keys again. Oh, bloody hell, I've got to work this weekend. Bloody hell, what was that noise? Now, I would say that most of the time we don't actually use this expression as much as people think we do, and it is a bit of a meme these days, but you will hear it from time to time. Either way, you now know what it means. And there is one more really common British word that I think you need to learn, but this word can be used in so many different ways, I had to make it its own video. So why don't you check out this video over here to learn one of the most useful and most commonly used British English words.